must be nice. Yeah, it is nice. But let me just talk about how I sungaze. Yeah, so I used to come here a lot actually to sungaze over, and the sunset would usually come around here, and I will triangulate with my hands sun to receive power and spiritual downloads. Okay, so black people, people of color, we can stay in the sun for long. It is what it is, which means we have the ability to sungaze for long, which then gives us more power to open our third eye. And this is the most important thing we need to do in order to ascend and live our dreams. Okay, if you're Caucasian, you can do it too.
Legends.